The water of West Bay in Grand Traverse County can be mistaken for the clear water of Italy or even the Caribbean, especially when viewed from the sky. Videographer Josh Monroe takes to the sky to show us this little slice of paradise in today's Drone Sights and Sounds.
I think I let my guard down. Certain things ain't the same now. Hard to navigate these problems. I'm by myself, you're not around. I tried to open up, it wasn't good enough. Put in my all and got nothing back. Now I'm stuck in the rain.